Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making blue cheese stuffed chicken breast. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I trimmed the excess fat off of. And I'm going to cut a pocket in this. You want to look for a thick end of the chicken. You want to cut in, but you don't want to cut all the way through. And that's about how we want them. So I'm going to cut a pocket each one. Now I'm stuffing these with blue cheese and chicken flavored instant stuffing. These would also be good stuffed with feta cheese. If I would have thought about it at the time, that's probably what I would have went with, because I made the blue cheese and stuffed cornbread stuffing and pork chops. I would have went that for something a little different, but these are going to be just as delicious as if I would use feta cheese. Okay, now we're on our last one. Now I put my stuffing and my blue cheese in separate bowls. That way there, if I don't use all my stuffing or blue cheese, the rest of it, I don't cross-contaminate it and that's in the trash. Now my stuffing's still a little warm. I'm going to start by putting in my stuffing. And it's a pretty straightforward and easy meal to make. So you don't have to have a lot of skill to make it. I'm just going to stuff this full with stuffing. Make sure I'm on camera. Okay. And I'm going to take, I have some crumbled blue cheese here. I'm going to take that and just smush that down into the stuffing. Right, and then I'm just going to close that bad boy up. Now you can put a toothpick in this if you want, but I'm not going to bother. Now over here on the side, you can't see it, I have a baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper, and I'm just going to lay them on there as I get them stuffed. And I'm not going to make you stay and watch me stuff all these chicken breasts. I'll bring it back when I'm all stuffed and it's time to season them. Alright guys, now I have my chicken all stuffed and it's on this baking sheet, like I said, with the parchment paper. And these are big chicken breasts, so we're going to use one for 2 servings. If you really have a big appetite, then go ahead and have one. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on top of the chicken. That's going to help keep it moist, and that's going to give it a nice brown. Which my olive oil just ran out, so let me grab that little bottle here. Note to self, fill up olive oil before you start your video. Okay. Now we're going to keep the seasonings really simple on this. So I'm going to start off by putting some pepper on them. And you just want a nice even coating of your seasonings. I'm going to put some garlic salt. And I'm going to hit the stuffing a little bit too with that, because that's going to help season that stuffing even more. And if you're on a low sodium, salt restricted diet, just go ahead and use some garlic powder or granulated garlic. And lastly, I'm going to put a little Italian seasoning on this. If you don't have Italian seasoning, oregano will work just fine. Now I'm going to put these in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 45 minutes until that chicken's cooked through. After 45 minutes, I'll check and make sure they're done, but I think 45 minutes at 400 degrees will do the trick. When they're ready to pull out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my chicken's done. It only took 35 minutes. Instinct told me to check on it, because if I would have let it go for the full 45 minutes, it would have dried out. But you can see how nice and juicy the chicken is. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some baked potatoes and green beans to go with us. And like I said, I'm only serving a half of a chicken breast per person, because these are really big chicken breasts. As you can see, my chicken breast is cooked perfectly through. Give this a cut. That's nice and moist. Really tender. Very good seasoning. Try some of this blue cheese stuffing. That's really delicious, guys. I'll tell you what, that's really loaded with flavor, really good. And it wasn't that hard to make. Alright, there you have it, guys. Blue cheese stuffed chicken breast. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.